People like pizza. People buy pizza. Pizza shops are happy. Pizza shops hire workers. Workers get paid. Life is good. Then people get scared. People hear bad news. People decide to save money. People buy less pizza. Pizza shops sell fewer pizzas. Pizza shops make less money. Pizza shops stop hiring. Some workers lose their jobs. Some pizza shops close. Now there are fewer jobs. Fewer jobs means less money. Less money means less pizza. This is a recession. Nothing exploded. Nothing broke. People just stopped buying pizza. Sometimes governments try to fix this. They lower interest rates. They give people money. People feel a little safer. People buy pizza again. Pizza shops reopen. Workers get hired. Workers buy pizza. The cycle slowly restarts. A recession is not about pizza. Pizza did nothing wrong. A recession is about fear. Fear makes people stop spending. And when everyone stops spending, everyone gets poorer together. Economy is just people. People deciding not to buy pizza.